Unlock the world of digital assets right from your UK smartphone with Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange. First things first, open the Binance app. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up, which involves email verification, phone verification, and a comprehensive Know Your Customer or KYC process to comply with UK financial regulations. This crucial step ensures both your security and adherence to local laws, requiring you to provide identification documents. Once logged in, you'll land on the intuitive homepage to buy crypto. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section here. You can easily choose your preferred fiat currency, such as GBP, and the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Binance offers various payment methods, including bank transfer via faster payments, debit card, and credit card, though bank transfers typically have lower fees. Monitoring your investments is straightforward. Head over to the Wallet section to view your portfolio. This screen provides an overview of your cryptocurrency holdings, their current value, and your transaction history. You can also easily deposit or withdraw funds here. Security is paramount. Access the security settings within your profile. We strongly recommend enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Additionally, consider setting up a strong password and exploring other security features offered to protect your assets. For selling, simply go to the Trade section and select the Sell tab. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell and convert it back into GBP. The process mirrors buying, ensuring a seamless transaction. Crucially, remember that Binance operates within the UK regulatory framework. Always stay informed about any updates to regulations or terms of service, which you can usually find in the app settings or dedicated support section. And there you have it, a quick guide to effectively using the Binance app in the UK for your crypto journey. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency.